us a picture of...
We have our school in the mall. I don't like chips.
Ow.
I said I don't like chips, bitch.
Hold up my dominant head. No.
Very eco-friendly. Iced
Earl Grey tea.
iced Earl Grey tea. It tastes like
Earl Grey?
Earl Grey tea but ice. It's really good. Just, you know what? Why don't we? I thought you were gonna squish it. I was going to.
It's a black piece of shit. Can we just kill it?
No, I don't want to kill it right here.
Oh, right there.
What an adventure.
Yeah. That's why I end up having crushes on gay dudes a lot. Cheerleader guy. Yeah. Nah, I should have seen that one coming. Deal breaker?
Yeah.
Patronizing, condescending, arrogant, makes me feel lesser than.
She said one.
Oh, and I don't like when they're like, oh, you need to be protected. Just anything that feels sexist to me in any way just really pisses me off.
Pick one trait. Should have.
Funny.
Funny?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Humor is like a big deal to me. I really like a wide range of dudes. Like, say I see a hot guy on the street that's really like tough, and I'm like, you know your vibes. Like, I could have a crush on that, but like literally the next second I see someone like super cutesy, soft boy. Yes, but not that much. I have like guys that are totally not my type. Like this one guy was super short, like half my size, and I had the biggest crush on him because he did not like me back.
Someone who doesn't respect their parents. If they don't respect their parents, how are they supposed to respect their girl?
Lucas.
And I'm not into somebody who's hella pervy.
Talk too much.
You
I'm
talked
sorry.
over her. I can't mute you.
Loyal. For me, I've had you know, due to personal reasons, I want someone who's loyal. They're refreshing guys, like somebody who has like that refreshing vibe to them, or someone who's softy.
What about shy? Like,
Shy guys, I don't mind because I talk a lot. I'm an extrovert, so it's kind of like I guess it evens things out.
wait, are you gonna have her salsa? I'm sorry.
Honestly, it does.
It's a back.
For me, it does matter because I want somebody who takes care of themselves. Who tells me that they're like maintained and that they care about themselves. BB segment, take one.
They're the same as yours, like patronizing of older friends. They have a tendency to talk down to you because you're much younger. Want to be treated as an equal. Is selflessness, be able to put others before themselves, and it shows that they care more about just themselves. Everything kind of goes hand in hand. So selflessness. I like all kinds of guys except for guys who act tough or value being very logical and cold and analytical over everything else.
Talking about.
I get that a lot of guys are raised not to express their emotions, so it can be really difficult for them to, but it's toxic to consider having emotions as a weakness. Did I even answer the question? If I had to pick one guy, it would probably be like gentle.
Oh,
It doesn't really matter if they're really skinny or if they're chubby. I have a type, but when it comes to physical appearance, I can't put down one singular type, so I would say probably everyone. I feel like for me, physical attraction comes later. I like someone first, and then they become attracted to me. I've never like seen an attractive person be like, I want to pursue him, you know?
Baby called a hill a steep incline because she's crazy.
I didn't say steep incline, I said a very soft incline. You're complaining about it. Steep is steep.
Oh. Oh wow, now you're so smart.
If I wasn't holding this coffee cup right now,
Domestic abuse. And
I don't need to physically
you're
abuse it.
threatening to abuse.
I can do it emotionally.
5 years of that damage is evidence.
because you're an easy target.
Not my fault I'm gullible.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Did you know what? Back then, I used to have a fish,
Yeah?
but he drowned.
You're lying to me. If we just talk about how gullible I am and then you tell me some random ass story, I have common sense at least.
But he drowned part didn't get you? What are you doing?
Such a pro.
And what do you hate most about high school hallways?
What? That's so random. Here? I like sitting down here.
I was all like, I'm not eating beef. So I didn't even have Big Macs. And I had no idea Costco hot dogs are made of beef. I kept eating.